project is Varma, which abbreviates Variable Agricultural Resource Management Approach. We focused this project to mainly solve the problem facing by the farmers. So coming to the project, we mainly focused on a problem where the fields are getting excessive water due to the heavy rains, which damages the whole crop. So focusing this problem in view, we have created a project where the water gets sucked back to the same tank from the field, and it also gives the water to the field when the field is dry. And next will be continued by my colleagues.
Hello everyone, myself Cmrcet Ceer and from Team 2. Here we are saying about gaps in existing solution. Gaps means here we are using a drip irrigation which is very costly for the farmers, and therefore it may be on large scale farmers or short scale farmers. Here we are using gaps in irrigation which we implement very short irrigation project. It uses very less cost to implement this project, and this will affect very much for the farmers. And we are using water existing solution that we take the water reverse for this problem. We are exceeding this gaps in solutions.
My name is Avishkar. My roll number is 7364. I am from Team 2. I am going to explain the problem statement for our project. Our project addresses the problem that in rainy season it becomes a huge burden for farmers to come to the field and remove the excess water. So our project maintains the water level up to the proper level which is advisable for a specific crop. So the existing solutions for our project are: one is traditional calendar-based schedules for farmers. Like farmers usually they will plan a schedule like every 2 days or alternate days or every once a week. Like randomly they will schedule the timing for providing water and removing also. This lacks precision for some crops. Some crops require more water, some require less. Another existing solution is usage of drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a process of providing water at the root of every plant in the crop.
Earlier, as my friends explained about the existing solutions and the problems faced by the farmers, now we have come up with a new project called Varma, which is helps farmers to suck the water from the fields and also supply water for the fields. When the field is dry, it will supply the water to the fields, and when the fields are wet and the excess water is there, it will suck the water from the fields, and it will provide the good quality and nutrients to the fields as we provide the exact amount of water for the fields.
So coming to the working model of the project. So here we are using the 2 motors and 2 relay sensors, and also we are using the 2 soil sensors also. So first coming to the first part, it is a soil moisture sensor. So here in the code we have given that whether first it will be checked that it is wet or dry. So if it is wet, then it will start pouring the water. If it is dry, then start pouring the water. So so let's see the working model of the project. So initially we are giving the power supply to that power socket project. So it is indicating that Varma. So we have to connect the internet to that Varma, then start pouring. So as it checked first, initially it is indicating that dry. So the motor 1 is active. So the motor 2 is becoming as wet, then they stop working.
We are going to see the working of motor 2. When the soil moisture sensor 2 is in dry condition, the motor is off. When the soil moisture sensor is in wet condition, the motor 2 will start. The soil moisture sensor is in dry condition, it will be off. Thank you.
Working of the project, we are concluding that a project mainly solves the problem facing by the farmers due to heavy rainfalls, and it is budget friendly.